Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, wonders alike. We're here today again, back at the Fontainebleau Veerdd Las Vegas. It's gonna be a little walkthrough, talk through of the Royal King Suite with a strip view, a great strip view. This is room 2235. So without further ado, we're gonna start in the facilities. Here you got your front door. Now you got your control units, privacy, service, your low light, medium lights, and all your lights on, lights off. As promised, the facilities. Coming on in to the right. It's a little bit of a tight space, but it's still a full bathroom, right? Same thing here with your control unit. All lights on, nightlight fan. Let's go all on real quick. Decor and commode. Now I'll shut this door a little bit. As you can see, this is how kind of tight it is here. But you get in, you get out. You still have your full mirror here. Vanity does work. Just gotta turn the light on. Easy day. Pretty basic, but it's still functional and usable. Got everything you need, including a full-size shower. You get quite a few folks up in there. Adjustable shower head. Complimentary items. Yeah, this is it. But to have a suite, in addition to your ensuite bathroom, have a full bathroom outside of that as well. It's great. Check out your entryway hall view. Humongous full-size mirror. With some little places to hang your jackets or whatnot. You come into the wet bar / mini bar. Got your complimentary items here. I'm sorry, not complimentary. If you pick them up for 60 seconds, they will get charged to your room. Same thing applies for your mini fridge here. Got a single deep sink, additional phone. And throughout this space, you have plenty of space for storage or any items that you might want to bring in. Move this out the way. All right, this cabinet here. Got a couple more glasses, stirs, bottle opener, wine opener. Empty drawer. You have a fridge for like your personal items here as well, so you don't have to consider even moving anything out of that mini bar so that you can get your items in. It's just more storage space underneath the cabinets here. That's your fridge. And on the opposite side here, you got some decor. Nice decor glass. A couple more glasses, your ice chests. And even more storage galore. Also, there's plenty of outlets on the counter as well. I don't know if you can request these things, but I don't know. Maybe you got a NutriBullet or something like that, some blender of some sort. Got plenty of space on the counter to do all of those things. You can also call down to the desk if you might have forgotten anything, and they might be able to assist, especially when you got 24-hour market and a 24-hour, I'm gonna call it a cafe as well. So you can always go down there, grab some things, stock up here and replenish up. So here's your living room view. I'll show you the back side of the wet bar. Got a couple stools here. So plenty of places to sit, even in a sizable space. especially if you're hosting folks as well. Nice comfortable sofa, little mini sofa there. Some reading items and some additional reading items here under the TV as well. Plenty of cabinet space underneath the TV. It's all empty, so you can utilize that space as well. All right, so we'll talk about the television functionalities real quick. If you go to the guide, you can actually bow ties. You can scroll the guide here as if you're seeking for any channel that you're looking for. So you do have that functionality. If you go to menu on your remote, it's going to bring up essentially your home page here. You're going to have your intro, you're going to have your name, date, weather, all your resort directories at the bottom, as well as like Fontainebleau Rewards, account review if you've charged anything. That live TV option will also get you back to the TV guide. Chromecast, if you want to share anything from your device, iPad, your phone to the television, you have that option, as well as you have in-theater options as well in case you want to order a movie or something, stay in or whatnot. You have these options. If you want to check out SpongeBob for the low cost of $24.99, you can do that. Got your adult zone, and then you have your settings where you can actually change the preferences for your language. So that's that for the television. And I get to the view and the drapes and the shears and all that here momentarily. So at the end of this suite, the door is separated for the bedroom and the living room here. So this is your view for the living room. And down here by the sitting area, you actually have the door, which is a sliding door for your access to the bedroom. Nice little wide view for you. As always, a plethora of seating space and a plethora of power. So behind here you got 2 outlets. And also at the very bottom of this here you got outlet for USB and C-type. And additionally, you got more outlets back here on the floor. So if you're sitting at the desk here on the opposite side, you can actually plug in something down there and use your device here on the table. Got more power here. Ooh, it's just more power to you, right? So split AC in the bedroom as well as in the living room, which is a nice little feature to have as well. More power, a couple more power outlets, USB C-type. And you have your control panel if you don't want to get out of bed to operate everything. Turn all the lights on, off, low. Got your drapes and your shears, phone, and even more storage here with a soft close drawer. There's your bed, your king, your decor. Same thing applies on the bedside table over here. I'm not gonna re-show you that. Same thing applies. Here you got your television. It's kind of offset, but it still works. It's big enough, right? You got plenty of storage underneath here. They're all empty in case you want to unpack and unload your items. You can do so. Right. And even more additional seating space right here. Some decor. Behind these doors here, you got your closet with the sensor light right on cue. All right, in this suite you're gonna get a lint roller. You got the steam roller up there. Optional hangers with a safe behind. Then you have your complimentary house shoes, suite shoes rather. In addition to robe as well. Very sizable. Got my luggage in there right now. So yeah, good to go on the space. Then behind door number 1, 2, 3, whatever door you want to call this here, French doors. Because why not French doors, right? It's the Fontainebleau. You got your in-suite facilities. And the better part of it is, it's a French door, right? So you just undo this latch here. Too easy. And get all the way up in there. Right on. All right, to the left over here, you got your vanity desk. Nice chair. Some little drawers for all your items down there. The vanity light. Another power outlet socket here as well. Over here is your sink area. Extra towels. Got a hair dryer down there. You got your standard face towels and complimentary items. And then in the suite chair, you have your other complimentary items. Toothbrush, razor, some shaving cream, mouthwash, toothpaste, shower cap, shouty. What's in the box? What's in the box? This box don't went over. All right. There's usually something else in there, like a shower cap, additional shower cap or something like that. But here's your view of your soaking tub right here. Nice decor in the back as always. Complimentary items with the loofah as well. And a super deep soaking tub. If you can hear the echo in my voice, that's just how large this bathroom is. Then behind this door here, got your other facilities. Then you have another humongous shower here. Shower head. Complimentary items. You got a little sitting space as well in there. So what do y'all think about facilities? Are y'all really particular about those facilities? Is it just good enough to be comfortable? You like the heated seats? You like the bidet? What y'all think? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into these shears and these drapes. I'll just control these here from the bedside for you. So let's see if we can do it like this. All right, let's turn all the lights off. There we go. Shears, drapes. All right, we're right here by the large billboard, Fontainebleau marquee. Then you got the Circus, Resorts World over there at the top, Resorts World. Got Encore, the Sphere doing this thing, the Sphere be sphering. I don't know how Jurassic's gonna be, but I'm gonna zoom in for y'all one time. That's all you get. All right, but also we're right above the pool areas. So if you see those green lights over there, these green lights here in the center, that's actually Live Beach. So whenever you're watching this video, they actually open up their facilities on March the 6th, 2026. So that's when the beach club will be opening. That's actually where that's located. All right. Guess I'll give y'all a view of the living room here. Full on. I guess on outro, we'll just leave y'all with a view of this. I'll kill these lights for the TV. Y'all catch a little essence. But what y'all think about this Royal King here? I think it's pretty sizable. Plenty of space. plenty of seating, plenty of outlets. It's a very versatile suite. Whether you want to stay in it, whether you want to go out and about, if you want to host, bring people over, perfect suite to do all of that. And if you find the right price points, why not, right? But if you got something out of this, something I said, something that you liked, go ahead and drop a little blue heart down there, and I greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, I guess we're gonna do this one together. We're gonna go with the lights, drapes, and we up out of here. Until next time, my love and peace.